Hello and welcome to Consensus Consulting's Google Applications Integration Module demonstration. I am Michael Weaver. We're glad you could be here with us today. Today we're going to demonstrate the Google Applications Integration Module in a live environment showing Active Directory integrated through eDirectory, which is then integrated to Google Apps. We're going to be driving our user management from Active Directory. We're going to be showing user creation, suspension, deletion, group creation, and membership management. Starting out with our initial Active Directory test environment and our demo users container, we'd switch over to the Google Applications Management interface running live on Google Server as we speak. Our driver uses the native API access from Google Applications, so we do need to have the API access enabled, which we can see illustrated here. This allows our driver through native Java calls to access and manipulate Google Applications User Database. So on our demo users creator, we go ahead and create a new user. We'll create Billy and Smith. With a username of B. Smith. We're going to set an initial password for Billy. Turn off must change at next login so the password isn't expired, and complete that. Since this is a live environment, we need to wait a moment for synchronization to occur. So we switch back to our Google Applications Management interface, refresh the users and groups, and we'll see that Billy Smith has now been created. Taking a look at some of the details on Billy, we'll notice that his username, B. Smith, has been moved over. We've got an initial password. It is not expired. We can also, through the driver, set whether or not Billy is a member of the administrators group and thus allowed to administer this domain. We can also manage Billy's nicknames through the driver to add additional mail aliases as necessary. Switching back to Active Directory, let's go ahead and create a test group. We're going to call our group Demo Group. Any of the standard Active Directory group types, or for that matter eDirectory, security, distribution, domain, local, global, or universal are supported by the driver depending on how you configure it. Our recommendation is to use the distribution group. So we'll go ahead and create that, allowing a moment for synchronization. And then we switch back to the Google Applications Management console, refresh that, and we'll see that our demo group has appeared as proper. These act as genuine mail distribution lists in Google Applications. So we go in and edit our user. We'll note that he has gotten his email address back from the driver, reflecting his real address in Google Applications. Now let's add our Billy to our demo group. Apply the change. Switch back to our Google Applications Management console and refresh. We take a look at the demo group, and we'll note that Billy is now a member. If we remove Billy from our Active Directory group, apply the change, wait a moment for synchronization and refresh. Pull up our groups, demo group. We'll note that Billy is no longer a member. Switch back to Active Directory. Let's disable Billy. This should result in a suspension in Google Applications. So we switch back. Remember, we're doing a live synchronization, so there will be a momentary delay while the system processes our change. So we'll need to refresh the management interface again. And we'll note that Billy has gone into a suspended status, thus indicating that he can't log in. So now we delete Billy's account. Switch back to the applications interface. Refresh it. And Billy's account is now gone. This is just a sampling of the features available in our Google Applications Integration module. Please see our website for more information. Click at the bottom of this slide to fill out our survey form and receive more information on a quote for our Google Applications Integration module. We thank you for taking the time to be with us today, and we hope you have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.